Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am on a trip to Las Vegas currently. My husband and I decided to take a road trip. It's been like over a year since we've done a road trip. And we decided to drive to Las Vegas. And I have to tell you what happened. So we were driving to Las Vegas. There's two major cities, Cedar City and St. George. And we have always driven this route with many different cars and never had an issue getting all the way to St. George without filling up our gas tank. And this time my husband was driving and he realized we were almost out of gas. I think we had like 15 or 20 miles left on the gas tank, and was like, we're gonna run out of gas. And I looked at Google Maps and we were in between two major cities and there was seriously no gas stations. There was no gas stations. We kept passing all these like little cities and no service. And we ended up running out of gas in our car, which is crazy. We weren't prepared for it. We did have a couple bikes on the back of our car. We thought, well, if one of us has to ride our bike on the highway to a gas station, we can do that. But luckily my sister, Spring, and brother-in-law Dave, shout out to those two. They live in St. George, and called them up and they were available, and Dave drove 20 miles to where we were at and brought us some gas and saved the day for us, and I really appreciate that. So that was a little bit of a rocky start to our trip, but hopefully things will go better. At this point, we're staying at the Rio Hotel. It's an older hotel, but we really enjoy coming here. They comped us 3 nights stay, cat beat free, so we did have to pay a resort fee. But anyway, lots of sunshine. It's supposed to be like 95 degrees for the whole trip, which is super hot, but we're planning on just like seeing the sights a little bit. We have a bike ride planned, and we should have a lot of fun eating good food and sitting by the pool. So I am sitting here at the Sports Deli at my hotel. We just ordered a pizza. I had to come on and just say how things have been going for us after the last incident of running out of gas. Unfortunately, things have not improved. Went to dinner and got back in our hotel at like 7 p.m. and we parked in the garage and we had our bikes on the back on a bike rack, and we backed up into the spot. We had 2 locks on our bikes, a U-lock and a regular chain lock, and backed up against the wall, and we're worried about the bikes, but we were in a parking garage. We saw the security guy on his bike when we got out of our car and thought, okay, someone's patrolling the area, we'll be okay. But when we came out in the morning, we came out about 7 a.m. We had a plan to go ride the trail, the Wetlands, which is east of Las Vegas. It's like a 14-mile loop to Lake Las Vegas and then back to the Wetlands Visitor Center. My husband, he says, our bikes are gone. And sure enough, they were. Someone had taken the entire bike rack, the bikes locked to the bike. Oh, and we had unpacked our car the night before. I noticed that when the bike tires had blown, my bike tire, my Specialized mountain bike, so we had taken it up to our room to repair it. So one of the bikes didn't even have a tire on it. Someone took everything out of the garage, the whole bike rack, the bikes, and the bike lock. So that really sucks. We had to do a police report. Our deductible on our car insurance is like $1,000, and I don't think our bikes and everything is worth having a ding on our insurance, so we're gonna have to eat it on this. But the hotel did refund our resort fees and gave us resort credit. Doesn't make it better, but I would not stay here. It's not super safe at the Rio Hotel and Resort. I think our time here has come to an end. Very disappointed to lose our bikes on this trip. So hopefully things will go a little better. We plan on leaving in a couple of days. We're gonna go early to what's it called? Valley of Fire State Park. It's near Moapa, Nevada, and Warm Springs natural area. It's like a natural hot springs. It's owned by our church, and I think it's open to the public. So hopefully that will be super fun. get some more pool time, and try not to have any more bad things happen. There's 4 little turtles on that rock over there. Unfortunately, the wetlands also has a dark side. There's a lot of garbage from homeless populations and camps all along the banks of this river. 14-mile bike loop in this area that you can take. I recommend if it's hot, you do it early. It's like getting close to 90 degrees at 11 a.m. in March, or April, sorry.
Tortoise. So the kids get to learn about turtles and tortoises and they get to feed them.
There is an owl nest up in this tree. Up right there, that brown remote screen. The lady at Visitor Center told us about. There's an owl up here. Hard to see him, but he's up there in the crook of those branches. Oh wow, that's cool. It's petrified, huh? They don't let us touch it. Looks like we have a staircase to an arch. We're in the arch. Which campground are we in? Arch campground, I think. Those look like Joshua trees. They're 4,000 years old. Like almost like giving directions, you know what I mean? The cities. There's some down here. Say hi. Pointed out there used to be natural stairs going down, but they put in this bigger staircase. That is pretty though. Center, but I don't think it's open. Have this reserved wedding area here by the visitor center, and then you have this as a backdrop, which is so fun. It's a beautiful place to get married. Bighorn sheep right here, a whole little flock of them. Starting on the Firewave Trail. Canyon on the White Dome Loop, which is off of Firewave Trail.
Look at the different formations, how they're plot and compartmentalized.
And on the different ridges.
Very cool.
It is cool. This is cool because not only are the lines in the rock going vertical to going horizontal, and the vertical lines are actually stand out from the rock. Slightly off the trail, but we have this great view. We can see a little pole. We have these like metal poles with yellow tips that you help follow the trail. Hadn't seen one in a while. Looks like there's look at that. There's a cave over there, sort of. So we're just gonna kind of cut across this sandstone, catch back up to that trail. Like the little arches in the rock formations. So they have these stone cabins that were built by the CCC 1935 for visitors traveling in the park to stand. They're pretty cool. See, 9,000 people stayed in these.